Hi guys, it's Habib here. So today we are heading on to WhatsApp. Okay, in this DNA, technology is doing a lot. So with WhatsApp, you can help connect or rebuild old relationship, think of old memories and what have you. So when it comes to girlfriend, boyfriend, it can help you boost that love for the other partner. Photos are doing a lot than what you think. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use a particular wallpaper or a photo as a wallpaper for all the chats on WhatsApp, and there's another feature where you can use it for a particular chat. Example, I can use my photo for all the chats that I have on my WhatsApp, and I can also use maybe my girlfriend's photo for our personal chat. So when I'm chatting my girlfriend, the background will be her photo or our photo, which will also help to boost. So in case you want her to see what you have for her, maybe you can do something, screenshot it and send it to her. So there she'll get to see the text and also see the background, your photos. So guys, if you are here for that, this is the right place. And without wasting my time, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you'll be here with us, Aquaba. So as usual, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to use wallpapers or pictures to set as a background photo for all the WhatsApp chats on your WhatsApp. Whether it is Messenger, whether it is WhatsApp Business, and it even works in GB WhatsApp. But here, I'm going to use Business WhatsApp for this tutorial. So now, let's head on to WhatsApp Business because that's what I'm using for the tutorial. So in the pop-up, these are the charts. So just hit on the three dots at the top right hand side of your screen. So when you hit on that three dots, there will be a lot of pop-up options. So just select settings, which can be found right below the last one of the pop-up menus. So keep on scrolling until you come across charts. So hit on charts, there will be another pop-up menus. So if you check from the first to the second one, you will see wallpaper. Now let's hit on wallpaper. But this wallpaper particularly, it will be set for all the charts. Okay, whether it's your father, your mother, your sisters, your girlfriend, everyone with that same wallpaper. So now hit on change. If you hit on change, there is bright, there is dark, there is solid colors, and we have my photos. So for the brighter side, you can see bright but beautiful wallpapers that you can choose from. So when you hit on the bright, have you seen them? Very nice. So let's go back. When you hit on the dark ones but very beautiful. So look at them. Now let's go back. When you hit on solid, these are pure solid colors. So when you hit on them, you can see. So here, my favorite color is orange. If I would have chosen here, I'll select orange. Let's go back. Hit on my photo. If you want to use your girlfriend, your mom, your dad, or yourself, or maybe something that you took a photo of before, which you want it to, or you want to remember always. So hit on photo. Here are the photos, a lot. So let's select one, and let me show you how it's gonna pop up. Let's select this. Have you seen that? So when I hit on set wallpaper, now here is the demonstration. This is how it's gonna pop up. So the first chat is my dad. Let me hit on that. Have you seen the background? Have you seen? So let's go back. Let me select the second one, another father. Have you seen? So that's it. And I think this video is beneficial. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do for a personal chat. That's your girlfriend and you. So you can put your photo or you and her, some of the photos that you took earlier, so that one day you pretend screenshot and send it to her so that she'll see what you have for her in the background, and she'll be like, oh. That's the girls things, bro. If you like this channel or if you enjoy what I did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educator, and I'll see you guys in the next video.